Hello traders, this week's Market Outlook from Exness features an idea for trading euro-dollar. I'm Michael Stark, Financial Content Leader at Exness, and I'm going to be outlining the possible scope and direction of the movement, the narratives driving it, and what traders who were to take the position would need to be aware of in terms of news and data. But first, let's look back at last week's idea and how that one did. Last week, the idea was a potential buy for Bitcoin from $57,000. The idea was fully accurate, with the price having moved up to the stretch target of $60,000 in the few days after the publication. This week's idea is a possible buy for eurodollar. We can see that overall the trend is upward. The price has recently corrected lower. It's possible it might retest the latest high around $1.12, and it might even move higher than that depending on the reaction to the statement of the Federal Open Market Committee. The primary narrative and focus for the potential move upward by eurodollar is the significantly lower inflation in the USA. We saw that the inflation for August from the USA declined much more than expected to 2.5% for the headline annual figure, and this has significantly increased expectations that the Fed might call for a double cut at its upcoming meeting on the 18th of September. So the critical factor to be monitored by traders this week is the Fed's meeting on the 18th of September, Wednesday, and specifically whether the Fed does a single cut or possibly a double. However, traders will also monitor final inflation for the eurozone and various housing and building data from the USA this week as well. So in summary, the idea for this week is a potential buy for eurodollar with a possible target around $1.12. Primary narratives driving the potential move upward are the lower inflation in the USA and significant expectations the Fed might call for a double cut, and the critical releases to be monitored are the Fed statement and press conference and Eurozone's inflation. Please remember, this is just an idea for a trade. It's not a signal, it's not a guarantee of success. You always need to manage your risk and do your own research.